Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation on artificial intelligence, also known as AI. I'm Dylan.
My name is Yimeng.
My name is Aiden.
My name is CA1.
And my name is Pradyun.
Our topic today will be on the increasing impact AI has been having on our jobs and what it could mean for not only our generation, but the future as well. Before we start, however, we have a question for you to think about. Do you think our careers path will change due to AI? With that in mind, let's begin. In today's presentation, we'll be sharing the way AI can take over our jobs, the advantages and disadvantages of using AI in the workplace, and why AI is still being used and how we can strike a balance between AI and human resources, as well as what kind of role AI could play in our jobs in the future.
Starting off, how could AI take over our jobs? Firstly, AI has currently advanced to the point where basic repetitive jobs cannot be automated. The automated jobs give us an easier time handling tedious workloads and spread human resources elsewhere. Secondly, AI can analyze information in a blink of an eye. With such high computing power, AI's data collection abilities far surpass that of human resources and have an increased efficiency of more than 10 folds. As such, companies can gain a deeper understanding of their customers' behaviors, marketing dynamics, and operational efficiencies. Lastly, AI can also eliminate human error. Why hassle human resources if AI is going to be more precise? With human error, many problems can arise from counting profits all the way down to counting marks in final exams. However, using AI eliminates these risks, thus making AI more reliable for jobs that require heavy mathematics skills compared to human resources. However, with AI taking our jobs, there will definitely be benefits, right? In the slides, we have listed out 3 of the many benefits. Faster processing, 24/7 operations, and cost effectiveness. Firstly, AI gives way to faster processing. Imagine sorting out thousands or even millions of data and statistics. Using AI, the process of sorting out big data becomes much easier and more reliable, and there will be a lower risk of human error. Secondly, AI is capable of running 24/7. AI does not require rest like us humans. Thus, customer service support can be reached without fail 24/7. Lastly, AI can also run many different jobs at once. It can be automated from repetitive tasks and optimized processes. With AI being able to be a one-man team, organizations are given the leeway to not hire as many workers, since AI can already do a bulk of the jobs that we do.
Having heard the advantages of AI, you might worry about securing a stable job in the future. But don't worry. However, AI isn't perfect. With that said, let's discuss about AI disadvantages. Firstly, there may be ethical concern with AI because it is quite tricky to regulate which kind of data AI can access to. This could mean personal or private data of mine can be unfairly used by AI, possibly causing copyright infringement. Additionally, AI can be biased or unreliable depending on what they learn through machine learning and cause mistakes or provide incorrect information. Secondly, it is very possible to over-rely on AI. For example, some company might think of hiring the bare minimum number of employees because they think that AI is perfectly doing its job. Moreover, AI is constantly evolving. If companies over-rely on the same AI program, it may quickly become outdated, and the information provided by it may also be irrelevant. Lastly, AI can result in a lack of free thinking. If human resources always solve the complicated problems using AI, their critical thinking ability will decrease and they will not be able to come up with innovative solutions to their problems in the future.
Now, you must be wondering, why do we still use AI even with its plethora of challenges? Allow me to explain. One significant advantage of AI is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. For example, helping us to manufacture a great number of products in a short amount of time, and freeing up human resources to focus on more creative and strategic tasks that AI is ill-suited towards, such as product design. Moving on, AI can also process vast amount of data with pinpoint accuracy. For instance, AI can help big companies such as Apple and Google to compile survey results, then let human resources interpret and transform the compiled data into comprehensible graphs and charts. Lastly, AI is akin to an inventor that can create new and exciting ideas into reality for us. For example, by machine training AI, it can be implemented into self-driving cars or robot vacuum cleaners to make lives more convenient. Through the application of AI, more doors are open, paving the way for new opportunities for both humans and their businesses through innovative products and services.
How do we find a balance when using AI? Using AI tools can be incredibly tempting as they can accomplish tasks in seconds that would take an hour to complete manually, simply by entering a prompt. However, when utilizing AI to assist with assignments, we must be mindful of plagiarism. AI-generated content, even if paraphrased, may still be considered plagiarism if not properly cited. It is crucial to understand and adhere to the plagiarism policies of your institution or organization, since AI collects large amounts of data, and this data can include other people's work, and we may unknowingly copy and paste it into our work. To find a balance, we need to read through the AI text and use it as inspiration for us to write something on our own. Another thing to consider when using AI is fairness. When the data that the AI is given is biased against certain groups, the AI will reproduce the same biases. An example of this is when the Google AI Gemini generated pictures of famous white people and turned them into people of other races. In this case, in an effort of being fairer towards people of minority races, Google made the AI skew towards them. This brings us to our next point, the solution to all these problems. AI should be used to help humans, not replace. This means we can't use AI to completely work for us, as they are not perfect and can make fatal errors. The same way Google's Gemini was biased, many other AI could provide biased information. Finally, if an AI is good enough and can even be used for a job, it is good to have an operations manager who watches over what the AI is doing. Completely trusting it and leaving it to its own devices can be dangerous. If all these things are done correctly, we can find a balance when using AI. To reiterate and hammer in what we've presented today, AI will without a doubt take over many jobs and impact many career paths. Can do many things that take us hours immediately and even does it for free. It won't even make any careless mistakes that humans make and works without stopping for 24/7. Despite this, we haven't completely lost everything, as AI comes with its own consequences. Firstly, its information can be incorrect, and it all depends on how the AI was given information. It is also dangerous to let AI access a company's information, as there may be security concerns. Finally, AI will also cause a decrease in critical thinking abilities that humans have. Nevertheless, we still use AI, as when using it in a balanced way, it grants us many benefits. Well, whether you like AI or not, it will be useful for a long time. So my call to action is, I think we should all embrace it and use it to enhance our potential. 3,
3, 2,
1.
1.
Thank
Thank
you for
you
your
for
For
your
your
time.
time.
time. Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on, haven't end. Wait, wait.